Hello, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example of order of operation. In this example, we use the order of operation. If we solve this right to left, then we answer give the 0. But answer is not a 0, so we choose the left to right because of rule according to order of operation. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 0 minus 5 is same. Then minus 5 and minus 5, it means minus 10. So this is right answer, minus 10. Okay, if we solve from right to left, 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. Okay, and minus 10 minus 5 minus 15. ठीक है. So this is not a right way to solve this type of question. If you face this type of question, you solve by left to right. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and tell me in a comment section which video you want.